Hi, I'm Zrinka Krivosic, and in this video, I'll guide you through your Chromebook Device Experience Kit. Whether you're new to using Chromebooks in the classroom or it's been a while, let's get you up to speed with the kit and all the fantastic ways you can use Chromebooks for your teaching. The Chromebook Device Experience Kit includes 12 student Chromebooks with a stylus, charging equipment, and protective cases. However, you will need to provide your own headphones. This might be your first time using Chromebooks in a classroom. For the best experience, we recommend that you ensure all devices are fully charged before starting your lesson, and that you allocate the devices so that there is either one device between two students or a device for each student during small group activities. At the beginning of your lesson, the first key step is to have students log into the device using their DOE username and password. This ensures access to important tools via the student portal and allows for safe and easy browsing across websites and apps. Chromebooks enable students to utilize Google Drive cloud storage, making it simple to save and share work with teachers and peers. Check out the TFL website for resources on using cloud drive solutions. Remember, some online tools require parental or guardian consent to use. To check what platforms may need parental permission, you can search on DOE's cyber support tool called Assessed IT. Now it's time to start using your Chromebooks. Explore the many online and preloaded applications that enable students to create digital resources, podcasts, movies, or even track their reading progress. Chromebooks are versatile and perfect for different workspaces, allowing you to choose the best tool and programs for your needs. Don't forget to make use of the assistive and inclusive tools in the accessibility options to customize your Chromebook to suit your learning style. The best part about Chromebooks is their ability to spark creativity. Whether you want to be a filmmaker, a podcaster, a music creator, or a game designer, using a Chromebook empowers you to channel your innovative thinking. Get started with some of the Chromebook-focused student learning experiences and challenges at the STEM.TFL Learning Library. For further support, visit Viva Engage and check out the STEM TFL page. Let's make learning engaging and fun.